Imagine a bird that hunts like a horror movie villain. Meet the shoebill, a 5-foot-tall prehistoric nightmare with a death smile that'll freeze your blood. But here's the twist, it hunts using a technique so brutal, scientists couldn't believe it at first. This living dinosaur stands completely motionless in murky swamps, then wham, its massive beak strikes with the force of a hydraulic press, literally decapitating its prey. Even crocodiles flee when they see this beast coming. The craziest part? It's technically related to flamingos. Yeah, let that sink in. Want more mind-bending animal facts? Hit subscribe, nature's about to get wild.